Hello everyone. Today we'll study Class 10 Geography, Chapter 2, Forest and Wildlife Resources. Friends, on this planet Earth, we humans aren't the only ones living here. There are many other living species, animals, plants, birds, all part of our biodiversity. Biodiversity means different types of life found on Earth. In this chapter, we'll explore this biodiversity, learn about different forests, animals, and their conservation. The first topic is flora and fauna. Flora refers to plant species on Earth. Fauna refers to animal species. In simple words, flora means plant life, fauna means animal life. India is one of the richest countries in biodiversity. We have many types of flora and fauna. Surprisingly, scientists believe that more than half of the species are yet to be discovered. Our daily life depends on flora and fauna for feasts, for food, clothing, medicine, raw materials, and even maintaining the environment. But unfortunately, humans are destroying forests and wildlife for their benefit. If we continue this way, many species will become extinct. That's why conservation is essential. Conservation helps in two ways. First, it preserves ecological diversity and life support systems like water, air, and soil. Second, it preserves genetic diversity. This means different varieties of plants and animals help in breeding and growing better species. Without conservation, we lose crop varieties and even fish species that many people rely on for food. In 1972, the Indian government passed the Wildlife Protection Act to protect endangered species and their habitats. They banned hunting and trading of listed species. Later, more species were added, including butterflies, beetles, dragonflies, and plants. To protect wildlife, the government created wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, and national parks. Today, India has 567 wildlife sanctuaries, 18 biosphere reserves, and 106 national parks. Special projects were also launched like Project Tiger, Project Lion, Project Gharial, Project Black Buck, Project Rhinoceros, and Project Snow Leopard. Let's talk about Project Tiger. The tiger is one of the most important species in India. In the last 100 years, the tiger population declined from 55,000 to just 1,827 by 1970. This happened due to poaching, shrinking forests, fewer prey animals, and a growing human population. So, in 1973, Project Tiger was launched to protect tigers. Several tiger reserves were created, including Jim Corbett, Sundarbans, Bandhavgarh, Sariska, Manas, and Periyar. Forests in India are divided into three types. Reserved forests, where no human activity is allowed. These are the most protected forests. Protected forests, where locals can use some resources like fuel wood under rules. Unclassed forests. These are managed by private people or communities and are more open for use. Reserved and protected forests together are called permanent forests. Madhya Pradesh has the largest area under permanent forests. Now let's talk about community efforts. In Sariska Tiger Reserve, locals protested against government mining plans that would damage forests. Because of their protest, the mining was stopped. In Alwar district of Rajasthan, villagers declared 1,200 hectares of land as a sanctuary and protected it with their own rules. The famous Chipko movement also started when people hugged trees to stop them from being cut. They said, "Cut us before you cut the tree." Their movement helped in saving forests and led to tree planting. In Tehri, Uttarakhand, Vijay Jadhari started the Beej Bachao Andolan, seed-saving movement, to protect local seed varieties and traditional farming. Another government program was Joint Forest Management, JFM, started in Odisha in 1988. Under this, the government involved local people in managing forests and gave them a share of forest produce. Some forests are also protected because of religious beliefs. These are called sacred groves. For example, in Odisha and Bihar, trees like imli and mango are used in weddings. Peepal and banyan trees are worshipped in many parts of India. The Bishnoi community in Rajasthan protects animals like black buck and peacock. Monkeys and langurs are often protected around temples. We learned how both government and communities are working to protect forests and wildlife. But it's not enough if only a few people care. We all must take responsibility to protect nature. As Gautam Buddha said, a tree is a noble being. It gives everything it earns: fruits, flowers, wood, and air, and even provides shade to the one who comes to cut it down. So, friends, if you can't plant a tree, at least don't cut one. If you can't protect animals, at least don't harm them. Nature is a gift from God. If we use it wisely, it will never run out. I hope you liked this video. If yes, do like, share, and subscribe to Wisdivision for more Class 10 videos. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.